Les Waller here, Financial Independence Now and Les Waller International. I want to show you how easy it is to use Wealthy Affiliate Content Editor for writing articles for your website. So basically you go into your profile area or you're on your page here in Wealthy Affiliate. The easiest way to get there is to go ahead and click on the pencil up on top. Click on Write an Article. And we are into the site content part of the page. The other way to get there is to go by websites, site content, and we end up in the same place. So if we want to make a article, we have a couple of choices. One is we can look at the template. So you can make and save templates depending on the type of article you want to write. If you're doing a review or just a content-rich article. For example, I have 10 templates in here. How to start a YouTube channel, build whatever in so much time, product X review scam, best product reviews, product review template, about me, keyword rich content page, privacy policy page, a hosting review template. So you can use a template or you can just start fresh. We're just going to start writing an article. So we will go ahead and create new. Blank document, and here we are. Change the scale of the lettering, paragraphing, bold, italics, underlined, where we are self, left to right, adjust, add links, bullets, lines, and images. Let's go ahead and type the title. We're showing you how easy it is to use WA's Site Content Editor while we're doing a post. So we've got that. We put the title here again, hit return. I want to add an image. Simply click on it. We want to upload manually. We want to click upload our first image that we took. You see the first thing it asks you to do is to crop your image. I pretty much already got it the way I want it. URL, no. We do want it centered. Save and insert. Because that looks a little bit big. We can go ahead and simply, we want to border that there. Oops, that's too big. Let's make it a little smaller. And we still want it to be centered though. And then here we will type the text that talks about the picture up above. And then we're going to add another image. And then we're going to talk about this page as well. So I think what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I am going to pause this video. I think I'm going to take all of these images and make them smaller using Photoshop and then re-input them, and then we will come back when we've done that and we've finished with the article. We have gone ahead and resized our images to fit. We put them 350 pixels wide, and we've put text in between all of them explaining each of the individual pictures here. There's 31 images total. What I want to do now is show you some more things that make this easy to use. So here for Facebook, we're going to make this an H3 heading. And we'll come down here to Twitter, do the same thing, and also for LinkedIn, and finally for Wealthy Affiliate. So it's that easy to change those. And the other thing we can do now is we can actually have a grammar spelling checker run. I probably should put a comma there, and then I'll have to run it again. I spelled wood wrong. I do want that there. Ignore it. I'm going to ignore that one. Click is spelled incorrectly. The choices aren't there, so we'll use this instead. Spelled notification wrong. We need a comma in there. Spelled that wrong. There we go. So we've gone through and made any corrections to grammar. We'll save it one more time. And now we will click to publish. Oh, let's put this in a bucket first. This is going to Marine Helping Veterans. And what that does is What that does is if you have multiple websites, you can have your articles set off like in different folders, so it keeps everything clean. So we're going to go ahead and click publish. We can choose one of our websites here. It's a post. Choose a user and publish it. So now if we want to view the post, now one of the things with the Wealthy Affiliate that you're able to do is if you have the credits for it, you can ask for site comments, but we don't want to do that. We can also do another article. We can edit it in WordPress. We can view it. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Opens up a new tab, and here's our article on the web page itself. Easy peasy, just like that. That's how easy the site content editor is to use. So we definitely want to take a look at it again here just to see if the formatting is good. Here's what H3 does for you. Probably what I'll do is I'll probably add in a banner for Wealthy Affiliate, but we can do that on the website. But that's a WordPress thing because now it's been published to my page. Matter of fact, we can go ahead and close this. It's on categories. So this is going to be a how-to video. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go back here. One of the other options was to edit in WordPress. So from the site content editor, we can click edit in WordPress, and it brings us right to the post editor. Now, it's a how-to video, so we'll categorize it. Tags, we'll add those.